Hey, what's up everyone? Today we're going to unbox iPhone 12 Pro at 40,000 feet. I don't think this has been ever done before, so let's get right into it. So the first thing out of the box is the phone. We're gonna keep it aside. Other accessories you get is only a charging cable and an Apple sticker. That's it. So this time, Apple has omitted the charging plug. A lot of people have been disappointed by this. Their reason for not including the charger is to meet their environmental goals. Like seriously, Apple, all other phones are increasing their accessories. Like in every Android phone, they're giving the phone cover in the box. And even some of them have screen protector as well. Although the phone looks absolutely stunning. I'm gonna set it up now. So the phone in my hand has 128 GB of storage and 6 GB of RAM. And you all know that Apple has brought back the retro design of iPhone 5. The side looks very beautiful and the matte finish is extremely smooth. The look of the phone is beyond my expectations. It feels very good when you hold it in your hands. It fits in your hands very comfortably. I got it for 4700 dirhams, which is almost 1300 US dollars. Oh, unfortunately, we cannot set up the phone as there is no internet on the plane. The on-air network is very expensive. It's like $10 for 50 MB. That's insane. Thank you for watching the video everyone. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.